Hi everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper, um, on Friday, May the 15th, 2020, we have two regular Sudokus, a light Sudoku Light, and a heavy Sudoku. These two regular Sudokus, I will solve them first, because also in this newspaper, in the additional, there are 5 extra Sudokus. But first I will solve these Sudokus, the regular Sudokus. I will start with the Sudoku Light. So let's get started. All right, let me drink some tea first. All right, let's start. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue, but I see the 7 are a lot. So why don't I start with the 7? 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row. Ja, is goed.
Heb je nog iets gehoord van judoka?
Nee. 7. Oi. Yes. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. Sorry, in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, 7s. How about oh, I can, no. Did I make a mistake with the 3? I placed the 3 here. It's not correct. The 3 should be here. I thought so. 3, 3. This should be the 3. What a mistake. What a mistake. Could happen. So this is not correct. All right, but the 7 is okay. And now I can continue with the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. Is this a good choice? No. Because I cannot fill the 3, I see. Alright, let's, this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is incorrect. Yes, alright. Can I do this with another digit? is the question. 6. Yes, should be the 6. 6. Let's try. Yes. 6. Wait. 6 in this column. 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. So I have corrected this with the 6. This is a 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, number 3. How about yes, the 4. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only 1 place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, number 4. Can I do that once more? Yes, with another digit. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, number 5. Can I do that once more with the other digit? Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2. 1 last missing number in the last row for the number 2. Yes, and then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5, I believe. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, the 2 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this second row for the number 9. 2 numbers left, final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku Light could be faster because I've made a little small error. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.